Welcome back to A3 Tech Ideas, where tech meets growth. Today, let's talk about a powerful tool changing how businesses work with information. notebooklm by Google. notebooklm is your personal AI research assistant. Imagine uploading all your documents, project briefs, PDFs, product sheets, and letting AI read, understand, and summarize them for you in seconds. For businesses, this means faster project planning, automated content creation, smarter insights from your own data, time saved on research and reporting. You can ask it, summarize this 30-page proposal. Give me a blog outline based on our sales report. What are the key pain points from this client presentation? Whether you're in tech, marketing, sales, or strategy, notebooklm supercharges productivity, helping teams make better, faster decisions. Want more AI tools that power your business? Subscribe to A3 Tech Ideas and stay ahead of the curve.